The O2 project is coming along nicely. It's got 2 injectors stuck in the top. And since these look like new injectors, I didn't want to destroy them by pulling the top off and using the normal injector puller. So I ordered the claw type injector puller. While I waited for that other injector puller to come, I went ahead and painted the block and the transmission. Intake manifold would probably be fine, but that exhaust manifold, I'm sure that paint isn't going to stay on there, and we'll see what happens. It says it supports 2,000 degrees, so maybe the turbo paint will hold up, maybe not. It looks good now though. It's going to look real good when we get some new fuel lines on there. Get that valve cover off and painted. Oven cleaner. Heat. I believe MC said it best. Hammer time. What? It doesn't fit. Unacceptable. Right, so I've been a few trips to the disc sander already. Ooh, it goes in now. Hey, it goes in them both. How about that? Put some more heat on it. It does seem to be moving.
Slide tool worth it? Oh, hell yeah, it is. That came just in time.
Victory 1. Slide tool highly modified. Had to grind the pits out of it to get it to fit down in there.
Wow.
But fortunately I've got a disc sander, so I was able to do that. A little bit of oven cleaner, a little bit of heat. Never leave an injector hole open. We want to plug that puppy up before something falls in there. Yeah, that's about how I feel. So number 4 continues to be a pain in my keister. Slide hammer's not hammering it out, so we're going to get medieval on it. But not only are we hanging from it, it is well balanced on that one injector. That has put an incredible amount of force on there, and it's not budging. Can't say as I like that one bit. No, I don't. Shit! Stay. I think now is a good time to take the oil pan off. What do you think? The big reveal. There's the inside of the engine. Had quite a bit of oily sludge in here still. You can see some running out. I've cleaned it with paper towels. Spilled some on the deck. And there's still this much inside the oil pan. And this is after we drained it completely. If your oil turns black immediately after an oil change, this is why. There's this much oil left in your pan during an oil change, and more. All right. All right, well, and this way is it. Okay. I got like no traction on this wood. Whoa.
You're about to hit.
Okay. Okay. Bring it down a little bit more. Now the arm is touching the. Okay. Touch it in. Okay. So do you want me to
pick up the turbo?
Yeah, I guess. Lift on that side.
Everybody feet clear.
Yep.
Okay.
Your feet are fine. We got it almost out. We're on top?
Yep, we're on top. We're not wide, but we're on top of that mount.
Okay, good deal. Quite a bit, but before we drop that down, I want to line up the transmission underneath.
Okay.
Jack the transmission up to line up with the transmission mount holes here. Now hopefully the transmission will slide in a little bit deeper.
Sorry.
We can dance if we want to. We can leave your friends behind. If your friends don't dance, and if they don't dance, well, they're no friends of mine. We can go where you want to. But they will be fine. So we can act like we come from out in this world and the real one far behind. We can dance.
We won't get copyright strike like this.
We won't get many followers either. This tool was not only purchased with donation to Florida Van Man, this was a recommendation from a few of our viewers to get a batterized ratchet. I guess they saw me suffering. Power steering pump in.
That was easy.
Sure, all you did was hold the camera. It's easy for you. So let's see, we kept the power steering and the AC compressor connected, so they're already charged. We don't have to worry about oiling them. We definitely need to put motor oil in it before we start the motor. And we need to put transmission fluid in it before we put it in gear. Warming glow plug second cycle, here we go.
Just about out of the sun.
Yeah, that's not a good battery. And it still has to fill the rail. Yeah, fingers are free. Yeah. Fill in the fuel rail, I guess.
Ready?
Yep. Okay.
Ready?
Hold on, let me assume the position.
Alright.
All right, go ahead. Not praying hard enough or to the wrong God or something. All right, give her some shit. Well, you watch while I turn. Does it smoke? That's what we need to know. Pan go. There it is. Now I know why I didn't go get a bowl out of it. Yep. I imagine it's just skip install a bit with this. Yeah. Ooh! Holy shit, that sounds nice! Now it sounds a lot better. Yeah, what just happened? Something changed. Sounds a lot more even now. Yeah. I'm glad I stayed and kept filming. You know what that means? Victory! Woo! She lives! Here, that was $1,000 well spent. Really?